Fresh COVID wave in Singapore. Flood variants account for two-thirds of cases, peak expected in June. Singapore is currently witnessing a fresh COVID wave. Singapore is seeing a rise in COVID cases and a peak is expected between mid and end of June. We are at the beginning part of the wave where it is steadily rising, said Health Minister Ong Ye Kung. So, I would say the wave should peak in the next 2 to 4 weeks, which means between mid and end of June, the Straits Times newspaper quoted the minister as saying. Flirt among dominant variants in Singapore. The new set of COVID variants, termed collectively as flirt, are behind the surge of COVID cases in Singapore. As per regional news reports, currently, KP.1 and KP.2 account for over two-thirds of cases in Singapore. As of 3rd May, the World Health Organization has classified KP.2 as a variant under monitoring. There are currently no indications, globally or locally, that KP.1 and KP.2 are more transmissible or cause more severe disease than other circulating variants, the Mo said. Number of COVID cases and rate of hospitalization. As per the data shared by the Ministry of Health Singapore, the number of COVID-19 cases in the week of May 5th to 11th was 25,900, higher count than 13,700 its previous week. The average daily COVID-19 hospitalizations rose to about 250 from 181 the week before. The average daily intensive care unit, ICU, cases remained low at 3 cases, compared with 2 cases in the previous week. Another lockdown? There are no plans for any form of social restrictions or any other mandatory kind of measures for now, as COVID-19 is treated as an endemic disease in Singapore, Health Minister Ong Ye Kung said, adding that imposing additional measures would be a last resort. He said that with Singapore being a transport and communications hub, it will be one of the cities to get a wave of COVID-19 earlier than others. So, COVID-19 is just something that we have to live with. Every year, we should expect 1 or 2 waves, he said.